talk about our Ledgestone waterfall kit. It's another one of our long line of Ledgestone kits. This kit is going to be complete with everything you're going to need for your project. Here we have our basin with a splashless top to it, an area for a pump, a hose that's going to be able to cut to any length, on top to our color changing waterfall. Next we're going to show you a side diagram of a completed project, just to show you how that hose will go up underneath. Here we're showing where the tubing will go from connecting into the basin, straight underneath to the back side here for the color balls. We'll have every piece kitted so the tubing will run underneath. You're not actually going to see that behind the basin. Thanks for watching our video today. Check out more of our Ledgestone kits and other products at patiotown.com.